Hi, I'm Pratik. I'll be walking you through the product demo. So let's get started. Uh, we are on DialNexa.com right now, and as you can see, we are able to see different personalities, different web voice AI agents created on the website. These are pre-configured agents for a very quick demo to understand how voice AI works. But let's dive a little deeper into the dashboard and take a demo over a phone call. So I'll click on sign in. Right. So let me just switch the workspace. So now we are in a different workspace. Workspaces are different. Workspaces act as independent organizations. Within a workspace, you can have as many agents, as many phone numbers. You can have different billing. Uh, a user can create as many workspaces as they want, and for each of the workspace, they can create as many. They can add as many team members as they want. Uh, Within a workspace, you have agents. Agents are of two types. These are voice AI agents. Voice AI agents are of two types. One is a single prompt agent and one is a conversational flow agent. Single prompt agent, the use case for these agents is a very small short call, which has less than 5 minutes or 7 minutes of discussion. Could be a reminder call, could be a lead qualification call, could be a general payment push call that, hey, I see that you had not completed the payment. Is there something I can help you out with? Here's a discount coupon code that you would like to uh, that you might appreciate, right? So let me pick a pre-configured template over here for a single prompt agent, pre-sales. And by the way, conversational flow agents are for longer conversations where you need a much more granular grip over the entire conversational flow. For instance, you want to have a 30-minute long sales pitch over a phone call. Uh, our So you might want to split it into introduction, rapport building, lead qualification, product pitch, uh, handling objections, and so on. We have seen our agents to handle more than 1 hour 5 minutes long conversation as well. So conversational flow agents is the way to go for longer use cases. For now, let's pick a smaller one, pre-sales, and hit create. As you see, this will create. Okay. Okay. So as you see, this has created and the first this has basically used a template and has created a voice AI agent for you, and a prompt is already in place. An LLM has already been selected. A voice has already been selected. This voice can speak English. So you can configure all of these things. You can put down the prompt of your choice. It's basic English. You can uh, instruct the agent to talk the way you want, talk what you want, follow steps, step one, step two, step three also. Put in general conversational guidelines. All of it is possible. You can choose LLM of your choice. We right now have exposed OpenAI LLMs over here on the dashboard, but there are Gemini and Anthropic models also that we are supported. These are synthesizers, also popularly known as text-to-speech providers. Right now, you can see 11 labs and Cartesia AI that are supported. Let's quickly play a couple of voices and check how these voices sound.
मैंने चेक किया और दिख रहा है कि चेक इनसफिशिएंट फंड्स की वजह से रिटर्न हुआ है। आपका रिक्वेस्ट प्रोसेस में है। एजेंट
मैं तो यही सोच रही थी कि शायद आप आज भी नहीं आएंगे, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं यकीन था कि जब आएंगे।
Excuse me. Who gave you permission to look this fabulous on a Monday?
Right? So this is how the voices sound. They are extremely natural and extremely human.
Namaste everyone. So glad you could join me today. I was just thinking, sometimes life, it throws you a curveball, no? But that's okay. We just keep going, keep.
Right? So you can also change the speed, change the stability, change the volume. Uh, Not just that, there are a bunch of languages that these voices can speak. You can also select multilingual for English kind of use cases. Once you have configured the agent, there are function calls, tool calls that it can make. It can interact with through APIs. It can interact with the external system. Basically, publish the agent. Let me just say version 1 and attach a number and hit publish. I've published the agent. Now I can go back, click on phone numbers, buy a phone number from here, and finally make an outbound call. This is how I can test out my entire flow, and within a couple of minutes I'll get a phone call on my mobile, and I can have a, there you go, real interaction with the voice agent.
Hello.
Yes.
Hi, Pratik. This is Aditi from Nexa Academy. I noticed you recently checked out our coding program. Do you have a quick minute to chat?
Yes, please tell me.
Are you exploring this program for yourself or for someone else?
I'm exploring it for my kid.
Got it. Which grade is the student in?
He's in the 7th standard.
Okay, thanks for sharing. What's the main focus for you? Is it extra school support preparing for competitive exams or more of a career-oriented track?
So he's doing great in academics. I want him to focus a little more on things that might be relevant in the future. So I'm exploring coding for that reason.
Our senior counselor can walk you through the best options for a future-ready skill set. Would today evening or tomorrow afternoon work better for a quick call?
Let's do tomorrow afternoon.
Great. I've booked your slot for tomorrow afternoon. Thanks so much for your time and looking forward to helping you and your child progress.
Thank you so much. A very quick, very fast conversation on a very quick, fast demo on how voice AI works. A very smooth conversation, a very real-time conversation on how things operate. So this is the very basic demo. Through batch calls, you can upload a list of 10,000 people, 20,000 people, and it's just a CSV file. Upload the list, and the agent calls each of them in parallel and talks to every single one of them. So that's what we are building, folks. More on that later. We support workflows, we support API integrations. You can create a workflow, give it a workflows are essentially uh, systems that go beyond just one call, where after a call you want to send out a WhatsApp message, you also want a follow-up call to go after 2 hours. If they do not attend, do this. If they attend, do this. Complex set of flows, if you would like to design, it's already supported, and that's what we are, and that's what we are building. So end-to-end workflows can also be built on the dashboard. Uh, More on workflows later, but for now, I hope this gives you a good idea about what we're building. Thank you so much.